Hello guys, Virtual Mentors Club here. So today we're going to start by solving a problem from the 2019 STAAR math problem for 5th grade. Let's start by reading the question, and as we read, we'll highlight any key information. Key information can be any useful information, such as numbers or quantities. Alright, so let's start. The owner of a snow cone stand used 1/4 of a gallon of syrup to make 16 cherry snow cones. She used the same amount of syrup in each cone. How much syrup in gallons was used in each cherry snow cone? So automatically we can highlight this area. 1/4 of a gallon of syrup to make 16 cherry snow cones. And let's see what the question is asking. How much syrup in gallons was used in each snow cone? So they're not talking about like 2 snow cones or 3 snow cones. They're only talking about 1. So let's check out our answer choices. 1/4 of a gallon, 4 gallons, 1/64 of a gallon, and 64 gallons. Um, yeah, so the answer choices seem pretty diverse. Let's start by solving this question. And the first step for this question would probably be to start with an equation. So let's create an equation. 1/4 of gallon equals 16 cherry snow cones. I'm just going to use CSC as an abbreviation. So here we have it. 1/4 of a gallon equals 16 cherry snow cones. And what we're trying to find out is how many gallons are needed for 1 cherry snow cone. So let's start by dividing both sides by 16. So 1/4 gallons divided by 16 cherry snow cones equals 1 cherry snow cones. And the reason why we did this is because of part and whole. So as you've learned in multiplication, if you want to get your whole number, then you have to multiply the amount by the quantity to get the total number. And division, as we are doing here, is basically the opposite. So what we're doing is we're taking the whole, let me write here, whole, and we are dividing it by the part. And in this case, it would be the quantity or the number of cherry snow cones. So part, and from this, we would get part, which would be the amount of gallons for 1 cherry snow cone. So let's start. So an easier way to write this can be very confusing, is 1/4 divided by 16 equals 1 cherry snow cone. So then from here, what you can do is that you can instead of dividing by 16, you can multiply by 1/16, since dividing by 16, oh, dividing by 16 is equivalent to multiplying by the reciprocal, which is 1 over 16. So 1 over 4 times 1 over 16 equals 1 cherry snow cone. And 4 times 16 is 64. The reciprocal of that would be 1 over 64. So 1 over 64 gallons equals 1 cherry snow cone. So this is our answer. So let's look at the answer choices, and as you can see, the answer choice would be C. So C would be our correct answer.